Hello everyone. I'm Panita Ocha and I'm organizer at Google Developers Group Adapter and Women Tech Makers Adapter. I'm also a full stack web developer at Sanskrit Corporation. And I would like my co-host to introduce himself. Over to you, Santosh. Santosh, there's a technical glitch, I guess. We can't hear you.
Sorry. So hope you can hear me now. Sorry, I was on mute. Uh, so
Yeah, we
uh,
confirm it. We can hear you now.
okay, thank you. Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to this icebreaker session, and I hope you had a lot of fun. Those two sessions from Johan and Ayush were amazing, and thanks a lot to them for their time and effort. And now it's time to have some fun, as Punita mentioned. My name is Santosh Yadav, and I was there for like initial 2 days. You might have seen me already. So let's go ahead and have some fun. So there will be some questions, and Punita, can you just explain what we are going to
Yeah,
do?
I'll quickly brief about the timeline of the events. In the round one, there'll be a quiz with a twist. Round two is about two truths and one lie. And round three is about celebrating happiness. And then we'll move back to the tech talks. So
Great, that's great.
woohoo! I'm excited about the icebreaker rounds.
Yeah, sure. So we have some interesting questions coming up, and in a quiz with a twist. So Punita, what we have to do that we will show them a question, and they have to answer
Yes,
right or
there'll be
wrong.
two answers. Yes, there'll be two options, option A
Okay.
and option B. So if
Hmm.
option A is the correct answer, you have to answer it with a twist. That is, you have to answer option B, and that will earn you the points.
Cool. So I hope everyone knows what they are supposed to do, and let's see. As Punita already explained, if option A is the correct answer, B will earn you the points. Okay, so you have to give the wrong answer. I know it can cost you in interviews, but here you can go ahead and manage and give us the wrong answer. So let's go ahead and see the first question. There are two images coming up, and you have to identify which one is the phishing email, and of course you have to give the wrong answer. So let's go ahead and see the first image. So there is this is the email from PayPal, and they are asking you to log in into your account and just notice the from email, right? So this is the first image, and I hope you can see this image right now. And the second one is this one. So focus more on from. You have 30 minutes. Sorry, not 30 minutes, 30 seconds. So let's go and answer the questions.
Come on, people, we are waiting for your answers.
I
It will
think,
be great if you
yeah,
can be quick. You need to
I
be
think this,
really quick.
yeah, B is the right answer. I mean, incorrect answer because it is coming from intl paypal.com, something like that. Looks incorrect to me. So I think yep, we have few seconds. Be fast, be fast.
We can see responses coming from the audience. Satish says second image.
Ah,
Karthik says B. Jyoti says B.
okay.
Information Danya says A.
Ah, that's nice. Okay. Is it? Yep. Time to reveal the answer. So let's go ahead and see which one is the wrong image. We will be showing them right answer, Punita, right?
Yes, we'll be showing them the
Okay.
right answers.
Cool. So let's go ahead and let me just. Should I go ahead? Okay. So here is the answer. So okay, the first A image was actually the phishing email. So the answer, correct answer, which will earn you point is B.
Option B. Yes.
Yeah, so the people who said B, they earn the point. Okay, so I hope you're not disappointed. It's okay, right? It's just a game, and life plays enough games with us, so you can always manage here. So let's go ahead and see the next question. Punita, go ahead.
Which of the following is best for user experience where user goal is to search?
Oh,
Option A or option B? Come
okay.
on, this one is easy.
So I think A looks incorrect to me. I mean, because
Okay.
there is no content. let's see
Okay.
what people says.
We are waiting for the answers.
Go ahead and answer. So remember, you have to give a wrong answer. And
Satish says option B.
okay, I thought it's A. Okay, maybe I am wrong.
B. A lot of people are saying option B. Karthik is saying option B. Dave is
Ah,
saying option B.
okay, so few seconds more. Be fast, be fast. We need more answers. Okay. A lot of people are saying B. There is someone who agrees with me. He's saying yes. A.
That is love for Google, maybe.
Maybe because or otherwise he might have never seen Yahoo. Maybe possibility. Because
Quite possible.
yeah, so because I saw the yahoo.com yesterday for the first time in years, and because you just told me to include this image, so maybe the people born in 2000 or 90s, they even are not aware of what yahoo.com is. Okay, so
Information Dunya says option A. Chen says option B. Yes, we can
okay,
move to the answer.
okay, cool.
So
The correct
obviously the
answer.
correct answer is option A, and Google provides the best search experience. So we have answered if you have answered option B, you need to give yourself a pat on the back. That earns you the points.
Okay, so I was again wrong. So okay, so let's move on to the next question, and again this is something related to the UI and UX. So we have two images, and then you have to let us know which one is the better for UI, which has the most number of chances that user will click on this buttons. So let's go ahead and share your answers. Yeah. So again, A looks good to me because it's simple buttons, right? I mean, I can go ahead and click. So no, it's yeah. It looks to me. What do you think? Everyone, you need to give the wrong answer. Okay.
I think option A is correct.
Option A is yeah, looks like to me. The option A is correct because there are buttons and I can see that button. So I will
Yeah.
always go ahead and click and stay. Okay, and text is visible too. Okay, so Jyoti saying yes. I think Jyoti is a huge fan of Punita, so she says yes. Whatever Punita says is right. Okay, okay. Please be fast. Be fast. We need more answers. Oh, Varsha says B. I thought Varsha is your good friend, Punita. She's against you. She's saying B.
She prefers to earn the points. She's a smart girl.
Ah, okay. Someone says A share looks better. Okay, that's great. Okay, so time to reveal the answer. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, so the correct answer was B. Oh, that's great. Okay, so thank you everyone for your answers. Let's go ahead and move to another question. Okay, so this is related to aspect ratio. You might have seen a lot of images on the website, and we need to know which aspect ratio is best for widescreen. So your options are 4 by 3 or 16 by 9. So let's go ahead and see. To me, it looks like widescreen. I'm just watching this entire WebDev live on a widescreen. So it's my 32-inch monitor. So looks like 4 by 3 to me.
Come on, people. We are waiting for your answers. Last few seconds left.
So we have to okay. So we have to give a wrong answer. Oh, I get confused. I mean, this is a really confusing game.
It's more about, mind trick here.
Yeah. Okay. So a lot of answers. 16 by 9. Okay. Uh, mhm. 4 by 3. Jyoti. Yep. Okay. Any more answers? Or do you want to add your own option? Maybe we are incorrect. It's not even 4 by 3 or 16 by 9.
Yeah, that's quite
Yeah,
possible.
that's
Think about
possible,
that.
right? Even Google gives some wrong results sometimes. Some search result, they are wrong sometimes. So we may be wrong because this is something which is copied from Google. And Saurabh says, "A kya bolti tu?" Oh my God. Okay, so let's reveal the answer. And the answer is 16 by 9. Okay, so the answer which will earn you point is 4 by 3. Okay, so I was correct for the first time.
Oh,
Okay,
that's wonderful.
okay, so let's go ahead and see the next question. Which of the following is better UI? And of your options is option A or B. I mean, both has coffee. So though for me, both the answers are right because coffee matters. What do you think, Punita?
Yes, coffee matters anyhow, but I prefer to go with option B.
Okay. Uh, because it has a small cup.
Yes, probably
Okay.
yes.
Okay. I'm sure there are a lot of coffee lovers over there. So go ahead and answer which thing you think is better. Remember, coffee is always best. Okay. A lot of answers coming up. Raghav says A. Dev says B. Okay. Okay. Surat says B. That's great. Jayant A. Okay. Sangeet says A. Responsive. Okay. Okay. Lot of answers coming up. That's great. That's great. I am sure you are enjoying this game because you need mind to play it, right? And I am not sure. I mean, uh, I can answer those questions as okay. Jyoti says B. Okay. So let's reveal the answer. Let's go ahead and see. And okay, the correct one was option A. So the answer, which will earn you point, is option B. Okay. So I think yeah, this is the last question. Punita, you want to go ahead and ask?
Yeah. Which of the following is a better from UI perspectives? Option A or option B?
Mhm. Okay, so here looks like option A is incorrect because it says heading, subheading, and they are in different text format. And B looks like okay, there is only one heading, and then all the text are in same format. So I think option A is the incorrect one. Let's see what people says. I just got
Okay.
only one right, so I'm let's see.
Okay.
Okay,
I see a lot of people going with option A. There are a lot
okay,
of people who are going with option A.
uh-huh.
Debbie says option B.
Okay. Remember,
Surat
you have
says
to give
option B.
yeah wrong answer, right?
Yes, you have to give the wrong answer.
Yeah.
Harsh says B.
Oh,
That's fine.
uh-huh. Saurabh B. Okay. The question is to be or not to be. Okay. So answer. Okay. Jay says A. Okay. Fast, fast, fast. Jen says
Jen
B.
says B.
Okay. Another. Okay. Jyoti B. Okay. I'm. Oh, okay. That was something. Mm-hmm. So, Punita, should we reveal the answer now?
Yeah, we can go ahead and reveal the answer. Last
Yeah.
5 seconds, maybe.
Okay.
Five,
So.
4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on.
Okay. Oh. I again got it wrong. Okay. No. I think yeah, I got it wrong. So the correct one was this is A or B? A, right, Punita?
Yeah. A is the
Uh,
correct answer, and
so
B
you
will earn you the
B.
points.
Oh my God, I'm again wrong. Okay, I think I think we are done with the first round, and now let's move on to the second round. Two truths and one lie. So Punita, would you like to ask the first question?
Yes. So it's about security. A strong password is enough to keep your business safe. Like we'll be actually, I'll just brief you about the rules of this game. There'll be one context, and apart from that, there are three statements here, and one out of those statements is a lie. So you have to answer the lie.
Okay.
So the first question is about context security. Option A, a strong password is enough to keep your business safe. Option B, two-factor authentication is must, and option C, fingerprint is safer than a stronger password.
Okay, so that's interesting. I mean, you have to say which one is again lie, right?
Liar.
It
Yeah.
means
Which
which
one
is
is the
incorrect.
incorrect?
Okay,
Yes.
cool. I think the last one is incorrect. Fingerprint is safer than a strong password. Anyone can. I mean, I've seen a lot of Hollywood movies where they actually do some trick and they steal your fingerprint and they can just open anything. What do you
Yes.
think? Anyone who has seen this in Bollywood movies or Hollywood movies, maybe? Okay, C is a lie. So someone Jay is with me, so he says C. Yeah. Okay. Someone says information dunya says B. Okay.
Dave says option A.
Okay. Okay.
Shakshi says option C.
Mm-hmm.
Ritik says option A. Varsha says option B.
Okay. C is a lie. Okay. Jay says C is a lie. Okay. I thought only Shakira zips don't lie. So that's really bad. Sorry, that was a really bad joke. So I'm sure Saurabh is already taking care of all the bad jokes over there, so I don't need to get involved. Okay. Okay. So should we reveal the answer, or let's wait for another 5 seconds?
Yeah, we can wait for 5 seconds.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, and here it is. Okay. So Punita, what is the wrong answer? Okay, what is the lie here,
The
and
lie
why?
is a strong password is enough to keep your business safe.
Okay.
So there were better mechanisms into the answer, and we prefer
Mm-hmm.
to go with the other two. Like
Uh,
fingerprint is more secure, obviously. And if
mhm.
you talk about two-factor authentication, that is also more secure.
Okay, so whatever Hollywood says, it's a lie, right? They show you can steal your fingerprint and open anything. That's a lie. So,
Yes.
guys,
We prefer to
important
go
lesson
with
learned. Yeah, don't watch more Hollywood movies. Okay, trust on yourself. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the next question. It is related to user experience, and your options are: great user experience is the responsibility of developer. Great user experience is solely designer's responsibility, and great user experience is everyone's responsibility. So remember, you have to find which is a lie. So I think the lie is a great user experience is the responsibility of a developer. So what do you think, Punita? What's lie in this? Or
I think
everyone?
I'll go
Hmm.
with option B.
Okay. So even Varsha says B. So I think she's your friend. So she agrees what you said. Okay. What about
Yeah,
us?
maybe. Jyoti says B.
Okay. I think why it should be the designer's responsibility, right? That's not a lie. It's designer's responsibility.
Why entirely on one person's head? It
Ah,
should be a shared responsibility. That is what I believe.
okay, okay. So we a lot of people are saying B. Okay, okay. Ah, A. Someone says A. Yeah, A is a lie. Okay, Sridhar. So Sridhar says A. Okay, some others, please be fast. Be fast. Okay, so let's reveal the answer in 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here is the answer. So the lie was great user experience is solely designer's responsibility. It is not. It is everyone's responsibility, as Punita said, right? Because
Yes.
yeah, only designers cannot take care of everything. So Punita, let's ask next question.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the context is user experience once again. Option A is simple, not equal to minimal.
Mm-hmm.
Option B is user experience not equal to user interface. And option C is user experience is equal to usability. So
Okay.
Santosh, what do you think?
It's a really hard question. I mean, I think UX is not equals to UI. Maybe that's my answer is B. So let's see what people
Okay.
says. Okay, anyone? We have to find a lie, right?
Yes. Come on, people, we are waiting for your answers.
So I think UX is equals to UI. So that's we have given it's not equals to UI, which is like. So let's see, and I said let's see, and then someone says see. That's funny. Okay. Satish says C. Okay. Coders failed B. Okay. Anyone else? If only designers could fix. Okay, that was something I think related to the previous question. I'm okay. Okay. Jyoti says B. Sakti, Sakshi, right? Sakshi. B. Okay. C. Okay. Wow. Lot of B and C. No one actually saying A. Okay. Okay, so let's show the answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, and the answer. Oh, so I was wrong again.
Yes,
So
so UX is not just equal to usability. UX is much more than that. It's about the entire user experience.
Mhm.
And everyone in the team, like the previous question already explained, everyone in the team is responsible for the user experience.
Oh, that's great. So okay. So let's see the next question, and the next question is related to user experience. And the question is design. So your options are design is the step in the process, UX is the step in the process, and UX is the process. Oh my God. Who actually got these questions? They are really difficult. So, guy, I mean, of course, we have some great people watching the live stream, and they can answer, and they are better than me. So let's answer, guys. Let's answer everyone. So I think the live would be. Let me think, and meanwhile you can answer. Uh, Oh, Ashish. Ashish says, "Hi, someone read my comment." A. Okay. So you are saying Ashish says A. Design is the step in the process. Is the lie? Yep. What about others? What they think? C. C. UX is the process. Uh, okay. Coders field is with he is with me. I can feel you. So he's saying looks like JEE advanced look, and CQ looks all correct. Okay. But remember you have to remember you have to find the wrong one, right? You have to find a lie.
Yes.
We are just playing mind games with you. Okay, so Satish says A, and I'm still confused which one is the lie. Okay, C
So
A.
I prefer to go with
Mhm.
option B, maybe.
Okay, okay. B is a lie. Okay,
I think so.
and here I am. I was just thinking my entire life was a lie, and people are saying B is a lie. Okay, again, Saurabh, really sorry. I know I am giving a tough competition to you, but yeah. Okay, so lot of people are saying B. Oh my, this is a dilemma. So Sangeet says uh, C. Is it? Yeah, C. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, so let's show you the answer. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
So
So
option B
UX.
is the correct answer. UX
Um,
is a step in the process.
so it was a lie.
Yes, this was a
Oh.
lie. Because UX is at every step in the process. From last three questions, we are just learning the same lesson out.
Oh. So remember, UX is really important. Don't skip that if you're a developer. Okay, so the next question is the reason for choosing online payment, and your so Punita, would you like to go ahead and ask?
Yeah, sure. So option A is online payments are secure. Option B
Mm.
is online payments are not that costly. And option C, online payments takes too long.
So again, we have to find out which is a lie, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I'll go first as no one has answered. So I'll go with A. Online payments are secure. I mean, I can see there are news really that someone's account got hacked. So my answer is A. So what do you think, everyone? What do you think? Is online payment secure?
Ah, this
Okay.
one
So
is difficult. I'm still thinking about it.
Jyoti says sticking to B. Okay. Okay. C is a lie. Okay. Jay says C is a lie. Okay. Sakshi says B. Okay. Online payments are not that costly. Sangeet says A. Thank you, Sangeet Sudhir. So he says A. So he agrees with me. So that's it's not it. Payments are secure is a lie.
Vedant Vyas says option A is true,
Ah, yeah. Vedant.
but you have to say the lie, Vedant.
Yeah, that's a
Satish
lie. I
says
think
option
online payment.
B.
Yeah. So online payments are secure. That's a lie. They are not secure.
Okay.
I think a lot of people do agree with me. So come fast. Jayant says C. Okay. Anyone else? Jyoti says to some extent it's secured and C is a lie. Oh, Jyoti looks like she's more intelligent than me. Of course, everyone out there is more intelligent than me. I'm still confused which is the lie.
This one is
Okay.
difficult. I'm myself
Yeah.
wondering.
Okay. So let's go ahead and reveal the answer. Five, four, three, two, one. Yep. Okay, so the
So
live was
yeah,
online payment. Okay, I
takes too
am too
long.
bad at yeah. I am too bad at this, so I am again wrong. Okay, so let's see the next question. Which design provides better UX? So we will show you three images, and then you have to figure out which is a lie. So first one is this image. I'm sure most of the things are not visible to you, but just focus on the image. Second is this one where this is the another UX for. So we have taken a checkout flow where you can purchase something, A and B and C. So these are three options which you have. So which one you think provides better UI? And remember, you have to say which one is a lie. So this one looks great to me. I think I can read everything on a single page and not too complex. And this one is looks complicated to me. This one is okay. Okay. Again, little bit complicated. So, okay. So I think, again, a difficult choice, but I would go with C. C is a lie. Okay. Jyoti says A. Okay. Coders field says C. Oh, thank you. So, Punita, what do you think? Which one is a lie? Okay. A lot of people
I
are saying
think
C.
option A maybe.
Okay. You think A is bad UX?
We'll
I have.
move quickly to the answer. We are
Okay.
actually, short of time right now, so we'll move
Okay,
quickly to
cool.
the
So
answer.
let's see the answer. Okay, okay, I'm again wrong. So the answer is A, and it's A is a terrible for 2020 Vedant says. Okay, I do agree with that. So okay, so let's see. So we are done with both the rounds. Punita, what you want to introduce? What we are going to show next?
Yes, so it's about celebrating happiness, and this round is about taking a picture of yourself. Santosh, can you move to the next slide, please?
Yep.
So this round is about taking a picture of yourself about your work from home and work from office setup, and tag Vabdev Live India and use hashtags hash Choti Choti Khushiyan and hash Vabdev India. So post a picture of work from home and work from office setup, and we would love to retweet it from our official handles at the rate Vabdev Live India. Can we move to the next slides? We
Oh,
have
that's
some
great.
surprise for you.
Okay.
So yeah, this tweet is from Hiral Thakkar, and she's from Ahmedabad, and she's a
Mhm.
woman in tech. And this is like a beautiful setup which Hiral has shared with us. Thank you, Hiral, for sharing this with us. Next.
Looks clean. Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
I know this
Yeah,
girl.
so this, okay. So this is my co-host Santosh, and Santosh sits on the next chair close to this girl, and this girl is Santosh's daughter. And this is truly lovely and very inspiring post. It's about a father and a daughter doing pair programming. I'm truly inspired looking at this. Next.
Sorry, I think there is some problem with at my end. So I think we can see the next image. Sorry.
Yeah, we can go to the next image. Okay, no worries. I'm sharing the slides. Just a second, I'll share the slides.
Ah,
Okay, so the next slide. Here is a tweet from Saurabh Rajpal, and Saurabh is technical solutions consultant at Google, and he also works at developer relations at Google. So this is like a wonderful tweet, and I just loved it. And this is like a beautiful and a creative setup. Thank you, Saurabh, for sharing this with us. And
yep, that looks great.
next slide. This is from Devi, and Devi says that he has taken out time, just to make this tweet for us after a long time to actually set up this table. It was messy before, and he has just cleaned his tables. Thank you, Devi, for your efforts.
I think more than anyone, the desk would be really grateful to you that you finally got the chance to clean it.
Yes. And this is Manas, and the post looks wonderful. The table is beautiful, and I just love the setup. Manas is also a tech community enthusiast and has delivered a lot of talks for Google Developers Group events. Thank you, Manas, for your contributions. Thank you, Saurabh, for sharing this post. And thank you, Hirsch, for sharing this post. I do see a Hacktoberfest t-shirt. So thank you for making a lot of contributions into open source community and keep going ahead. Thank you so much. So
Thank you.
now we'll move back to the tech talks.
Yep. Thank you, everyone. Bye.